Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri style Quince apple slices or Bumchoonth Roganjosh. It's an easy to cook recipe and cherished by all. You can call it Bumchoonth Roganjosh also. So let's get started. For making this dish, I have taken around 750 grams of Quince apple that I have sliced like this, sliced into 4. We have to peel it and slice into 4. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon, oil around 1 cup that we'll be using for frying, Kashmiri chilli powder 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoons or according to your taste, 2 black cardamoms, 2 cloves and 4 to 6 green cardamoms, and I have taken a 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri wort that I have soaked in water. And now I have heated up 1 cup of oil, and once it's hot I'll be adding Bumchoonth to it, or Quince apple slices, and we have to deep fry them. We have to deep fry them on medium to high heat. We don't have to keep high heat. I'll fry them on both the sides. They are deeply fried. Here you can see. I'll fry them in batches. So here you can see these are the fried Quince apple slices. Now I have taken the extra oil from this and just kept 2 tablespoons of oil, and to which I have added whole spices, cumin seeds, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom and cloves. Then I'll be adding ginger powder, turmeric powder and wur or spice cake masala, and I'll be adding some water, and then I'll be adding chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric. We'll mix them properly. Here I have added a tablespoon of water also, and wur was also containing a tablespoon of water so that the spices won't burn. And I have added salt and water also. And we have to add as much water so that all the Bumchoonth get covered in the spices so that they can get cooked properly. Now I'll be adding fried Bumchoonth slices or Quince apple. Here you can see I have added fried Bumchoonth, and they are all covered. So at this stage I'll cover it and let it cook, and we have to be careful with stirring, and we have to keep checking till the gravy is absorbed. This dish doesn't have a lot of gravy, it's very less gravy, and Bumchoonth tends to soften quickly, and if you feel it has not softened you can add more water also later. Here after 15 minutes on medium flame our Bumchoonth are ready, and here you can see the gravy. At this stage you can check the salt also. So now I'll keep it on high flame for 5 minutes and it's ready to be served. Bumchoonth is served with rice. It tastes amazing. It has slightly tangy taste, and with the hot spices it tastes really different. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.